Of the Ford State na wananchi wa Kisii rero ni tukurio mo ramo no mo goko monene asengencho timu ya ito chindugu chia ito bari bakoro kunga people with disabilities bago celebrate 20 years ase bindu banyare gokora ibe ya Kisii na Kenya ngima nense ngima to wado mo iga culture hall go celebrate bindu banyare gokora twarore bakorere binte binge bamekira lot of achievements mba ruanete pakari chikoriri kunga agibo they can put into place kere chitenda chiko koru Kenya gaiga 30% cyanyara kogenda as abantu bari vijana abangina and the people living with disabilities, and that one kiabela korekana tari gusioka Kenya ngima iko every time tendering process yokorwa there is a provision 30% for that team, and that is a milestone banyare go achieve through their continuous engagement with all the stakeholders as a country ya Kenya. Na into county ya Kisii we also committed we ensure we have abided by that regulation ya 30% keto kora our tendering process. Iko tuacha kujumuika nabuo ko share na goserekea abinde ba ko debia asokuruanirira abantu babo togwana botambe nga disability is not inability. Abana abantu basome tobuya bajede sukuru buya nimbwata for example mwari mwana somete iga bwe Kiswahili kurukochora ogerete gukwane Kiswahili sanifu arengo muigizaji aka influence my Kiswahili igaranganje Kiswahili anenga yakara bye sukuru igo korobwato bare mabondo bwensi timine tinga no tori ebo gukora kende gyonsi baranyare gukora abana abantu bari intelligent but part of us in the community igo tuwendo ko basherekea to ba celebrate to kollegas nabuo as our day-to-day activities. Tuabai resident tumne county into tayari ntumanyetenga bawade certain challenges kogenda no ene nyagitari yari tuatebirenga we shall always ensure that tuababekire in a way na bago pili part and parcel of the society ntutageti go pawundo bwensi barude some concerns echio mune ministry yane ya health timuno mwaziri nyakweba mucho karanza mune timu yane na barabuo tonyare kurigeria mangana ya sobugare to yakonye kiara kende ngeo gerense gere impossible kerenge no beko nyare kana as long as we sit down and do what and talk igo na baira that mean assurance ngando judo karanze ebindo ibare isi a few issues we shall be able to sort them amicably igo ngo sawanga mbiamono sega sabonga tokara chindu jane. Let us work together. Nto basa ko bapagua. Kera these are our brothers and sisters. This morning nto agenda ari mate shirika ndiko konga na Rayan community. Governor ito Paul Simbarati entered into an arrangement with them bakurubo indi. Asengenje yobuya bwaye. Abantu umbaja rogadi tu abantu artificial limbs. Barebata bwa temagoro bata bwa temagoko. Tu abantu 160 for free without paying a coin. They will be able to do their works without any challenges. If want to have a conya and to agreeing next year, they shall also come take measurements in February and around this time and the Chitaba and Banda Bange, about Yamagoro, and you go and encourage what Magoko. A second job or Emma. Robert Yamagoro, please bring him on forward. Acha Apimu, I walk over Sokoboko, Nakoregacia. We have done this for the last 3 years and we shall continue doing that for the coming years. This is because of the good relationship serikali ya Kisii County bwate amana mashirika mange akoreme county yetu ya Kisii. Igaba ndabeta bagusimurega iganko basabanga tutwara obomo twanchane tatwa gaje gusinyara komesa imeyobora ebwa obuya wagaba na Paul Simbarati nyasaba siseni.
Nchego nkoro kwa Eric Ambrose Ntabo. Eric Ambrose Ntabo no muraibwa abantu babwata bale mase county yetu ya Kisii. Na endera ero iganeli tukolie itoli nena ye organization yetu National Council for Persons with Disabilities tokwiyarigani na kuserekea emiaka 20 ng'ayo koru yagachagetwe emiaka 20 yaerire twarorire obuya bwayo obonge mbororo yagerire abanto abange bari babwata barimo barikirwe chiobisi ao agerire twatwarire abajumbe in parliament, in the senate, twatwarire abajumbe ase county assemblies, magana na mange yatokoreire na inderende boigo national council yatokonyire ase okorikia abantu babwata barema egere banyare goikera service chinde jirie serikali eganeti yakonya baremafu bono rende amange akwanirwa maya mono naende twarorire ase gaps chire bono nko tebitorero national council ase gaps chire tongo batumira tora mang'ana tobateba nyare gosuguma egero moremafu ona konyu fure igorende gaps ne chinyinge chire na bona mang'ana taxation ngentongere tokorga tax exemption na bogo cha kwagenda kwa color vetting lakini naende ngana matuko make naende kwera na color vetting egotoka ne vetting eyo echeko ruka gwakoreirwe igotiga yaba misi te kabanga naende gakero kendo baremo boko nyako bakiriri kirari tuko kirenga kio okogenda kwanya kurigerirwa ige kina kiakemo kiabo tora rigereri mono nga vetting eye ekorurimo na mang'ana assessment yali chinyagitari cheto tigana ero ekorurimo unless ryo muntu nyonyorete accident na babwene tanya bakoruryo karakini muntu biare tuno barimo na bono bwane tebwene tinga kangana ende nkonyo go irorerwa konyo gokoreruryo karioka oseriniyo yanyakaba bona china chigaps toroche na bintu binde mbiro ntoganie totebie national council nga iga tigatogenda this way egera bare mafu baito bakonyeka igobonende na ende ntobwaterente ne county government ya Kisii mono ya tokonyira sa registration ekiara nero bwata abanyagitari bagokora assessment because mang'ana devolution iga chete nga health ekaigwa chi county governments so igo minister una kwana batokonyira sa nene aliese mejandere memini iga ngo chitore go karansa nere twashure nga ngora ruere na ende ntokonyu mono kubwatekana nga kiobokora riwo maremafu bwento bakorwese county yetu ya Kisii yorende the 4th estate na bakire mbuya mono na ende na abatebiringa mogendere kyara matuko singo ngobeka mura mang'ana itembeo egera twanyara kuigwikana ni numure kiugiito yakora without you ntokonyara kuigwikana na mang'ana itu zakonyara gwikira ase bari babwenda to gwikirwa mbuya mono
asamari tangoro ku Franklin Ombasa ntina mukazi usi ngo colleagues na probation. I'm a probation officer in the station here at Kisii. Tokoro Kisii Central Probation Office. Little yesterday. I say into anniversary, 20 years as a officer at National Council for people with disability. As some can that the body, play a law at all, and I say, oh, you want about disability, but about our Moso, I say, you might talk about Kurukumo to the Market about registered, nobody and National Council. So, number one, you are calling about disabled, registered, na National Council, a card, you go corner 70 binge, Mosaka Montani water. Number two, among education. Education, also, play a role, and then saving to be education. The bus are into the talk web. I want to be disabled, but I was on school. And then she in the chair, away body, but Marite, at the old Marite, a bus and narrow web, Yakoyum one. Take a Marite, a bus and narrow kind of web, Yawason. Again, a grant in Kero, a grant in narrow web, a real food. It was sponsor food scholarship. What's on the Wakawakura Manganao? Yes, school. Also, National Council ya Konya Baramavu. Also, Koba Chivesa. Tender, Secretary of Tender. Chivesa into the file. A check the one, or Joe Quirani, step what interest. A day in taking us up a mouth, Padiba, what Joe and the sister this study, and walk on the way tenderness secretary. Na leo support networks. Nebinte binge ya nyaga tokoni binta kwa na bondiga. Ile tokoni tunashukuru asali akonye and we hope for the best. Kuna ebinte binge binta kwa bigo cha. Bitwa nyeto kwa na ditu kwa